Welcome to MarineMax and Rogers. I'm Jason Chapman, and today we're going to take a look at a brand new 2023 Sea Ray SPX 210. Beautiful boat here. This boat's 21 feet in length. We have the Horizon hull side color and the black hull bottom. Stainless steel components on this boat, including the cleats and the rub rail here. And then we actually optioned this boat with the water sports tower. Taking a look at the stern here, we do have the manual submersible swim step that goes down into the water. We do have the dune or brown sea deck right here. And then this is powered by a Mercruiser 250. Let's hop up inside and check out some of the features. All right, so welcome inside. We're gonna take a look here at the stern and then make our way into the boat. Starting back here, great feature that the 21 SPX has is this seat back that does fold up. And then right down here is easy access into your engine compartment. And along with that, you do have storage on this side. Nice entryway into the boat here. We do have a spot for your batteries and your cooler down here. And then also a storage compartment. As you can see, we have the blue LED lighting on this boat. So you get the good accent lighting underneath the cushions here and in your cup holders. You have a couple spots here for a cooler. So this is a insulated self-draining cooler. And then also another spot underneath here. Along with the water sports tower, we do have a bimini that folds out. And then this boat has the premium audio upgrade. So we have our subwoofer located down below. Standing up here at the helm, we do have the two captain and co-captain seating here, the two bucket seats with flip-up bolsters, and these do rotate and adjust as well. Ski locker down below, so plenty of storage for either your cover, your poles, or any kind of accessories you want to take out on the water. And these do lock down in place, nice latches on here. And again, this is the sea decking, so it's glued down sea deck throughout the boat. And at the helm, we have our tilt steering wheel, Fusion audio, and then we do have our Simrad display screen. So up here we have all your chart plotting, engine vitals and diagnostics. So everything's very accessible here at the helm. We've got a recessed glove box over here, and then more storage below. And this boat does have a bow filler cushion up here, so you can make this seating into a complete sun pad. And then also a great feature on the SPX now, we do have our anchor locker up here. This boat is located here in Rogers, just came in, so feel free to come on by, give us a call or make an appointment. We'd love to show you this boat. Thanks.